home to the mighty Jaguar, the powerful green Anaconda, the highly toxic poison dart frogs, the shocking electric eels, flesh-eating piranhas, and more. Visiting the Amazon rainforest is coveted dream of many nature lovers and wildlife enthusiasts from around the world. However, visiting the world's largest tropical rainforest is not free of dangers, as the forest houses some of the most deadly creatures known to us, and maybe deadlier ones yet to be discovered. Some animals from Amazon rainforest. Green Anaconda. The green anaconda is a non-venomous constrictor found in the Brazilian Amazon and some other parts of South America. It is one of the most feared and revered species of the Amazon. The green anacondas live in swamps, slow-moving streams, and marshes of the Amazon, where they remain nearly completely submerged in the water, waiting to strike on the unsuspecting prey that comes to drink the water. Once they catch their prey with their lethal coil, the prey's last moments are near as the snakes suffocate their prey to death. Poison dart frog. Poison dart frogs are perhaps the most deadly animals living on earth. These brightly colored tiny frogs living in the Amazon might appear to be beautiful to us, but the skin of some of these species harbor poison deadly enough to kill 10 adult human beings. The poison dart frogs receive their name from the darts or arrow coated with the toxin produced by these frogs that are used by the indigenous hunters to hunt animals and also enemies. The poison produced by these frogs is called batrachotoxin. The toxin is so potent that even in minuscule amounts, it can cause paralysis and death when it enters the bloodstream. Piranhas. The piranha is one of the most dangerous aquatic inhabitants of the Amazon River basin. The piranhas are freshwater fish famous for their powerful jaws and razor-shaped teeth. They have one of the strongest bites among bony fishes, and the black piranha's bite is one of the most forceful bites among vertebrates. The bite of the piranha can easily tear through all flesh, including that of humans. Bullet ant. The bullet ant, named for its potent sting, is one of the creatures of the Amazon rainforest that is best avoided. These tiny insects are capable of bites that can trigger excruciating pain in the beaten area. Some victims have claimed that the pain is equal to that of being shot by a bullet. Once beaten, the victim develops an all-consuming pain that can torment victims for as long as 24 hours. Black Caiman. The black caiman is one of the biggest extant members of the Alligatoridae family. The massive predator lives in the lakes, slow-flowing rivers, and seasonally flooded savannas of the Amazon basin. It is regarded as the biggest predator of the Amazon ecosystem and feeds on a variety of birds, reptiles, fish, and mammals. The powerful creature is capable of taking in any animal that unknowingly ventures into its territory, and that also includes humans. Electric eel. The electric eel is not a true eel, but actually a knife fish, capable of delivering a massive electric shock to those who threaten it. The eels use their electricity-generated capacity to stun prey before consuming them. Fatal attacks on humans are rare, but not completely non-existent. A single jolt could stun a human being enough to cause the person to stop breathing and drown even in shallow water. Multiple shocks could definitely trigger respiratory failure in humans. In the past, there are cases where the fish have delivered shocks strong enough to kill horses and even the stunned an adult tiger. Jaguar, the third largest big cat species after the tiger and the lion. The jaguar is a charismatic animal of the Amazonian wilds. The jaguar is an obligate carnivore and is well adapted to kill. The diet of the jaguar is wide and varied, includes at least 87 species. Although humans do not feature in this diet, it is easy for a jaguar to kill an adult human being. Adult caimans, capybars, tapirs, zeros, peccaries, deer, etc. are all potential prey for jaguars. The jaguar is an efficient killing machine which employs suffocation and deep throat bite technique to kill its prey. Another technique unique to the jaguar is biting directly through the temporal bone of the skull and piercing the prey. Amazonian giant centipede. The Amazonian giant centipede is one of the largest centipede species in the world. The creature is about 30 centimeters long and preys on a large variety of animals. Interestingly, the centipede's diet is based not only on other invertebrates, but it can also overpower and kill creatures larger than it in size, like lizards, snakes, frogs, mice, bats, and sparrow-sized birds. The centipede's primary weapons for killing prey are a pair of modified legs called forcipules. The centipede uses the forcipules to penetrate the body of the victim and inject a highly toxic venom into the bloodstream.